The Intex Canopy Island is a floating lounge for two. It holds up to 200 kilograms, has a 2-meter diameter, 2 cup holders, and dual air chambers for safety. Weighs 10 kilograms. Price $128. The SBBA Untouched is a 142-gram washing bag with textured bumps that act like a washboard. It needs 5 liters of water and can clean a few shirts or underwear in 30 seconds. Saves up to 1,000 liters of water and 21 kilowatt-hours per year. Price $31. Anglers will appreciate this one. Carp fishing often involves catch and release, making the photo and weighing process crucial. This mat has built-in digital scales ranging from 100 grams to 5 kilograms. It's mounted on a frame that's comfortable for both the fish and the angler. Price $231. AirQ Outdoors combines a swivel chair and rocker. It rotates 360 degrees and reclines 15 degrees. Though it weighs less than 2 kilograms, its aerospace-grade aluminum frame supports up to 113 kilograms and is 40% stronger than comparable gear. The developers claim it performs well in all climates. Price $200. The Swagman Roll is a 5-in-1 poncho, blanket, cover, hammock liner, hooded jacket, and sleeping bag. Weighs 786 grams and tested by the U.S. National Tactical Officers Association. Price $140. The Nemo Helio Portable Pressure Camp Shower ensures cleanliness even in the wild. Fill the 11-liter tank, use the foot pump, and enjoy 7 minutes of water flow. It weighs just 700 grams and packs down compactly to fit in a backpack. Hose length 2.1 meters. Price $90. The Fluid Logic GPR50 Smart Hydration System tracks your body and environment to determine when and how much water to dispense. It vibrates to alert you and delivers a dose at the push of a button. Designed to be worn with gear like motorcycle suits. Price $479. Eoknopi is a way of life in the wilderness with hotel-level comfort. This trailer boasts a solid 154 kilowatt-hour battery system, expandable up to 4 times on request, and solar panels that generate about 64 kilowatt-hours per day. The Opus tent is so smart, it inflates at the push of a button in minutes. Depending on the model, it fits 4 or 6 people and supports gadget charging using the included batteries. The C3.0 desalinator runs manually, no batteries needed. It removes salt, microplastics, bacteria, and viruses. With effort, it can produce 8 liters of WHO standard drinking water per hour. Early Kickstarter price $250. Flexi Pro is a hybrid backpack and wardrobe. It transforms to offer 17, 35, or 42 liters of capacity and weighs just 1.2 kilograms. Its fiberglass frame adds durability. Price $170. The SRL bike transforms into a mini camper with a cot, kitchen, desk, and tent. It's compact enough for trains and buses and has endured over 1,000 kilometers of testing. Price and launch date TBD. Himova is a 2-in-1 fan and ultrasonic mosquito repeller. It runs for up to 10 hours and can cool 38 degrees C air down to a breezy 18 degrees C with max output at 11 meters per second. Price $39. The Oil Multi-Tool Axe functions as a hammer and includes attachments like a knife, whistle, compass, flashlight, glass breaker, and bottle opener. The steel head and aluminum handle are modular for size adjustment. Price not specified. The Winterwell Iron Stove features vintage 19th century design. It has a cast iron fuel tank, steel burner, and can run on kerosene or paraffin. A 600 milliliter tank lasts about 5 hours. It weighs 2.4 kilograms and is popular with campers, hunters, and bushcraft fans. Price $385. The Muss Wild Jeep Bluetooth speaker combines military design with clear sound and radio functionality. It runs for 10 hours on a charge, weighs 830 grams, and includes aux input and audio tuning by a sound engineer. Price $150. One Wind tarp serves as a shower tent, toilet stall, changing room, or makeshift shelter. Each folds into a 30 by 8 centimeter roll and weighs 450 grams. Price $50. Introducing Bike Triton, the amphibious electric bike camper for two. It runs 25 kilometers per hour on land and 8 kilometers per hour on water. When the battery dies, you can pedal or row. It's a slow ride, but perfect for scenic views. Price $11,000. Hopper M20 is a soft, cooler backpack holding 36 cans or 10 kilograms of ice. It closes with magnets for a tight seal and is made from puncture-resistant, UV-stable, dry-hide fabric. RF welded seams ensure leak-proof performance. Price $325. The Habitio portable stove weighs 2.3 kilograms, fits 2 pots under 20 centimeter diameter, and has a piezo ignition. Made of stainless steel and powered by propane. Price $90. Windhike sleeping mat has an R value of 5.8, usable year-round down to -20 degrees Celsius. At 9 centimeters thick and only 590 grams, it's both comfy and compact. Price $150. CoinStyle is marketed as the coolest portable air conditioner. It looks like a backpack-sized box and weighs under 6 kilograms. It can cool a 5-meter squared space in minutes, repel mosquitoes with ultrasound, charge gadgets via 2 USB ports, and provide LED lighting. It can run from a wall outlet, car adapter, or a built-in 30-amp-hour battery lasting up to 5 hours. Price $250. Platypus hydration packs may look simple, but feature secure valves for strong flow and leak resistance. They include secure slide lock closures, are easy to grip and hang, and have silver ion coatings for freshness. A 3-liter model costs $47. This trekking pole hides a saw, whistle, knife, lighter, and more. Modular sections let users customize weight, length, and tools. Perfect for sharing gear on group trips. Price $59. Canvas Camp's Oryx tent fits 2 people with a retro design. It skips the tech to focus on nature and connection. It has 2 doors and mesh screens for ventilation and bug protection. Price $300. The mini coffee/tea press makes both hot and cold brews with minimal effort. Fill it with grounds or leaves. Steep for 6 minutes, then press. Saves money versus cafe or capsule drinks. Price $66. The Bandle Smart Sleeping Bag has electric heating controlled via Bluetooth. It preheats before bed and keeps your settings all night. The carbon heater is ultra-thin and efficient. With a 30,000 milliamp-hour battery, it lasts 4 nights and works in -23 degrees Celsius. Weight 1.2 kilograms. Price $300. The Lenercom Energon Max is a suitcase-sized portable power station offering up to 7680 watt-hour capacity and 3 kilowatts output. It powers a fridge for 16 hours or charges an EV for 39 kilometers. Works as a backup power supply with voltage switchable between 110 volts and 220 volts. Price starts at $1,613.